What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about, can you really boost a 5.7 Hemi, and is it really worth it? Able to give you guys my honest opinion. There's a lot of words out there about the 5.7 Hemi, how the Hemi is junk, is that, is this, such and such. But so I'm going to be breaking it down to you guys today. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Happy Tuesday. And the first thing I want to say is there's the 5.7 and then there's the 6.2 liter, that's in the scat packs, almost the same thing in the Hellcats. So you got to understand, a lot of people might think, oh, the 6.2 liter in the scat packs, they're way better. Yes, it is a bigger motor, but it is it's better such and such. But when it comes down to boost, the 5.7 Hemi is pretty much incredible. Like it's pretty much like way better than boosting a 6.2 liter, because these engine, the 5.7 Hemi engines, is pretty much designed to be able to, it's like you could pretty much, it's like Lego pretty much. It's like you could build it into however you wanted to build, pretty much build it to be able to make a lot of power. And they are capable of making like 700 wheel horse. Oh, I can't even talk to it. I don't know why, but I'm over here struggling trying to get my words out. But they are capable of handling about 700 horsepower, which is a lot for especially for me. I think that's a lot. If you got a pickup truck, especially a crew cab, that's a lot of power. And these motors, one of the things you got to look at is that it's like endless mods that you could do with them. The 6.2 liter, the scat packs motors and stuff like that, yes, with boost, they don't really handle that well with boost from my knowledge. And I don't think that you're more so better off going with the 5.7, boosting your 5.7 Hemi, because you could do so much more. You could do valve cover, you could do bigger cam, you could do, like, it's so much things that you could do with these motors that it's like endless stuff. But overall, honestly, to answer your question, can you really boost a 5.7 Hemi? Yes, I think yes, you most definitely could. Anybody and their mom know that boosting a 5.7 Hemi, it handles so much more boost than a 6.2 liter, the scat packs and stuff like that, because it's not really designed like that way to really be able to. But these trucks, 5.7 motor, are motors that are brick solid. It's kind of like a LS. Well, I wouldn't say it's light, but similar to like the LS, because it's like kind of like unbreakable. It's like, I know a lot of people talk shit about these motors, about it being the Hemi ticks, this, that, a third, but believe it or not, these motors are pretty much solid. One of the things that to consider is the fact that a 5.7 Hemi motor and a 6.2 liter motor, you got to understand, if I was to where I want to make my 5.7 Hemi fast as the 6.2 or faster than the 6.2, it really doesn't require too much. I could easily do that. The bigger cam, supercharger or whatever and stuff like that, just like changing up little basic stuff, and it's easily going to be able to make that power. But on the other hand, if you're talking about the 6.2 liter, if I were to let's say I want to make it as fast as a Hellcat, it is a bigger motor, which it does have the upper hand, but it is capable of doing much more, because like I said, it is a bigger motor. But overall, I personally think that when it comes down to boosting and stuff like that, I would pick the 5.7 Hemi motor over a 6.2 liter motor, because the 6.2 it doesn't do well on boost compared to the 5.7. So a lot of people might be thinking, oh, it's a bigger motor, this and that, I want to go with this, it's going to handle much more boost, this and that. Nah, it most definitely won't. The 5.7 Hemi motor, you could do your own research and look it up yourself. You don't got to listen to me, but it is truth that the 5.7 Hemi is king you guys got to respect that when it comes to doing a lot of endless mods and stuff to it, to where you really want to be able to, you know, turn it up a notch and make as much power, almost as a Ram TRX, I'll say, like a stock Ram TRX, which is kind of insane because, you know, a lot of people talk down on these trucks, man, like especially like the motor, the 5.7 Hemi motor, but they don't really, I feel like they don't really know much of the history behind them. And these motors, I believe they are in the early Dodge Chargers. They're in the I believe the Chrysler. I believe it's like the early model cars and stuff like that. They go a long way though. The 5.7 Hemi came a long way, and they definitely can make some really good power, and it's definitely great on boost. So if you are thinking about boosting your 5.7 Hemi and contemplating, thinking, damn, should I boost it? Is it gonna do well? Is it gonna do this? Yes, it would do great on boost. It's designed that way, and it handle boost much better. So there's the answer I'm gonna answer for you guys. So any day I'll choose a 5.7 to boost than a 6.2. So if you are here for the first time, guys, definitely feel free to subscribe to my channel, support the channel. This is a Hemi Ram channel, so I have a 4th gen Dodge Ram, and definitely you want to stick around to see what I got in stores planned for this truck. And also make sure to click that sub, man. I upload every day consistently, so join the family. Let's go.